Hello everybody, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Hu's Kitchen. I just been to supermarket because I was planning to do a bean sprout dish for you. Unfortunately, I can't find any at all. They all sold out! Then I was thinking, why can I not show you guys how to grow your own bean sprouts at home? Yes, that's right. We are going to grow some bean sprouts today. And yes, this dish will be pushed a little bit for a week, unfortunately. However, you will be able to learn how to grow your own bean sprouts at home anytime. Now, let's get the bean sprouts project started. Today, I'm gonna show you how to grow your own mung bean sprouts. So the one you normally can buy from a supermarket, they actually grow from one type of a bean called a mung bean. So today, we are going to need some mung bean. So let me show you what they look like. So they actually look like small beans, but in green color. So I actually got some fairly new beans here because I made some bean sprouts porridge the other day. One tip for you, if you want to grow amazing lots of bean sprouts, you need to use fairly new beans. So if you see, right, I got a bag of mung bean at home and it's about 3 years old. Definitely don't try that. It's just not gonna work at all. The one I bought is actually 400 grams a pack. However, here we are only gonna use 100 grams. You might think, only 100 grams? That's not gonna be lots, that's gonna be tiny weeny. Actually, you will see. I will show you how the magic works. And yes, 100 grams will be more than enough. Don't put more than 100. Unless if you have 20 people at home, you might can try that. Regarding to grow your own bean sprouts at home, you will need a massive container. So here I'm using a quite big metal bowl, and so if you don't have metal bowl at home, you can find any container which is not see-through, and also you won't need it for next 5 to 6 days because they are gonna stay in this bowl for at least 5 days. So you can use, for example, metal bowl if you got one, or ceramic bowl if you got one at home. If you don't have any of them, you can use a plant pot actually. Just make sure you wash them first. Otherwise, they're gonna be really nasty. So I just weighed 100 grams of mung beans here. I'm gonna put them in my bowl. And here is a tip. We are going to use boiling hot water. Some of you might think, boiling hot water, will that work? Definitely will work. It's definitely gonna work because my mom has been using this method the whole life, and myself have tried this method lots of times. Every single time it works perfectly. So I'm going to quickly boil my kettle because we are going to need boiling hot water. Right. My kettle just boiled, as you can see, and I'm going to add in just enough water to cover all the beans. Like that. Then, there's no then. We are just gonna leave them in the bowl for at least 3 hours. We'll be back in a sec. 3 hours. Hello, I'm back. It has been more than 3 hours. Now, I'm going to quickly drain all the water out of this bowl here. I'm going to quickly throw this water away and then put some new water in this bowl. So I'm going to show you. This is the bean. So these are the beans before I soaked them in the water. And this is the bean after soaked in the water. So obviously you can tell the mung beans has soaked with water, and that's why they are ready to germinate now. Regarding to help them germinate, and I'm going to use some cheesecloth, and here I'm going to soak my cheesecloth just in some tap water. So here we are going to use cold water and soak it, and then just basically just squeeze it. Leave tiny bit of water on cheesecloth, and then we are going to make sure all the beans are going to be covered with our cheesecloth. So just like this. Then I'm going to use a plate to cover the top of the bowl. So just like this one here. So basically something big enough. Make sure there's no light or sunshine go inside of the bowl to disturb them. And on top of this, I'm going to just use some black bean bags. Cover on the top. And yeah, that's it. So I normally wash them 3 to 4 times a day, but obviously if you see you have to go to work, so probably you can water them 2 to 3 times a day. For example, after you get up and after you back home from work and before you go to bed. So 3 times will do. Better for 4 times. When you water them, we'll just put in cold water, that will do. Don't use warm water or hot water this time, because we'll only need to use boiling hot water at the start of this whole thing. And from now on, you can just use cold water to water them. So once you water them, and just like what I did before, drain all the water out, and make sure you will wash your cheesecloth as well, and keep them nice and clean. So you don't need to use any chemical to wash it, like soap or things like that. Just use some water to wash it and cover back on. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and I will show you what my mung beans will look like. Good night. Hi everyone, it's day 2. Let's have a look what our bean sprouts looks like. So as I mentioned last night, we need to put a few things on top of our bowl, and let me get my plate out. Are you ready? Oh my god, look at them, so cute! Wow! I'm gonna pick one of these guys and show you. Come on. Can we see? They already germinated. So cute! Right. Now I'm gonna quickly wash them with some tap water. So here I got some tap water. I'm gonna put water in the bowl. It's enough to cover all of my beans. Just gently stir them a little bit. Then just drain the water out. Then we are going to quickly wash our cheesecloth as well. Just make sure it's fresh. So leave some water on it. Don't need to drain all of the water out. And then I'm going to use cheesecloths. Cover all of my cute mung beans. And then put the plate back in, and the bean bag on top. Right. Don't forget, water your mung beans 2 to 3 times a day, and I will see you tomorrow, give you another update of what they look like. Hi, I'm back. It's day 3. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update of what our bean sprouts looks like so far. Let's have a quick look. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh wow. Look at them. Oh my god. They're getting there. They're so cute. Right, now I'm gonna quickly water them and put them back in the dark. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hello everyone, it's day 4 and another update. Let's have a look. Oh my god, they are definitely lots longer if you have a look. That's like nearly the same size of my finger, if you can see. Literally, like, they are massive now. Right, now I'm going to quickly water them and put them back in the dark. Don't forget, water your bean sprouts 3 to 4 times a day. Keep them hydrated. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye! I forgot to say, because I just watered my bean sprouts, as you can see, lots of the mung bean skins start to come off now. So we're just going to add lots of water in and pick them out. I mean, you don't need to pick every single one of them out, just like as much as you can. And yeah, just get them out and then we're just going to bin them. So no need to keep them in the bowl. And bye! Hello, it's day 5. Before I'm going to do my daily exercise, I'm going to quickly show you an update what our bean sprouts looks like so far. Let's have a quick look. Oh my god! Wow! Honestly, have you seen how long they have grown? Like, literally. Wow. Right, I'm gonna quickly water them and put them back to sleep. So I'm gonna grab some water. Normally, it would only take 5 days to grow your own bean sprouts because I'm living in the northeast of England and it's cold. That's why it might take 1 extra day. So probably tomorrow will be the harvest day. I will see you tomorrow and show you how many bean sprouts we get in the end. Bye! Hi! It's day 6, it's harvest day. I'm so excited this morning because today I finally can cook something with my own grown bean sprouts. Let's have a quick look. Oh wow! Oh my god! Compared with yesterday, the bottom part has grown a little bit more, and you can tell like they start to have tiny cute leaves. I'm going to try it for you just like this. Because we haven't put in any additional things or any chemical at all, it's only just bean sprouts and the water. That's it. So I'm going to eat just raw like this. It's really, really sweet. Honestly, it's so sweet. It's really crunchy and so sweet and quite juicy actually. They are definitely 100% homemade, organic bean sprouts. Now I'm going to get them out and show you how many bean sprouts we get in the end. Bear in mind, we only use 100 grams mung beans to start with. So if we compare them properly, that's the 100 grams mung beans, and that's what they end with. Honestly, they are so cute. I can't wait to cook something amazing with them. Right, that's our 6 days grow your own bean sprouts at home with Who's Kitchen. I hope you are going to try to grow your own bean sprouts at home, especially some of the countries still in the lockdown. And in this case, you don't need to go to the supermarket to buy bean sprouts anymore. You can just grow some and just give yourself 6 days notice. Or some countries, if it's slightly warmer, it might only take you 5 days. So 5 to 6 days. And then you can have your own organic, delicious, crispy, sweet bean sprouts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, like this video if you haven't, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Just click that button there, the red one. Yes, that's the one. And if you want to know what I'm going to cook with my bean sprouts, tap the bell. I will see everybody next week. Bye!